All right, so get this.
Okay.
You send us something you're interested in,
Mm-hmm.
and we take a deep dive into it
I like it.
and bring back all the cool stuff for you
Awesome.
today.
Yeah.
AI agents.
Oh, yeah.
You send over this video
Right.
that breaks down AI for beginners.
Yeah.
Super impressed with how much it packs in.
Yeah. It's really interesting how they
Right.
tackle such a complex topic
Mm-hmm.
and make it understandable for
Totally.
pretty much anybody.
Yeah.
They use some
Yeah.
really good visuals, too.
So let's dive in.
Okay.
The video starts by tackling the big question.
Mhm.
What exactly are AI agents?
Right.
And their answer is surprisingly relatable.
Okay.
They compare them to digital assistants
Oh,
like Siri or Alexa.
that's a great way to start.
Right?
It shows us that AI agents aren't
Yeah.
some far-off concept. They're
Yeah.
tools we're already using,
Mm-hmm.
maybe without even realizing it.
Think about it.
Yeah.
Just like your digital assistant.
Okay.
AI agents can take in information,
Mm-hmm.
make decisions based on what they see,
Yeah.
and then do something to achieve a specific goal.
And this is a key point.
Okay.
AI agents are built for specific tasks,
Mm-hmm.
not to be some all-knowing superintelligence.
Right.
That's what makes them such powerful tools.
Now, the video then gets into the nuts and bolts of how these AI agents actually work.
All right.
And here's where it gets really cool.
All right.
It all comes down to algorithms.
Okay.
The video explains these as step-by-step instructions
Mhm.
for solving a problem.
Right.
And this is where machine learning enters the picture.
Okay.
And it's what makes AI agents so powerful.
Yeah.
It's not just about following a set of pre-programmed rules,
Right.
but the ability to learn from data and get better over time.
So interesting.
Imagine you have an AI agent learning to spot cats in pictures.
Okay.
At first, it might mix things up
Mm-hmm.
and call a fluffy dog a cat.
Right.
But the more pictures it sees, the more data it gathers,
Mm-hmm.
the better it becomes at telling them apart.
Yeah.
That's machine learning in action.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
This ability to learn and change is what
Right.
sets AI agents apart from traditional software.
Totally.
It's what lets them tackle
Yeah.
increasingly complicated tasks
Mm-hmm.
and deliver better results as they gain more experience.
The video highlights some awesome examples
Okay.
of where AI agents are already making a difference in our lives,
Yeah.
often without us even knowing it.
Interesting.
It starts with customer service.
Okay.
Those helpful chatbots on websites.
Uh-huh.
Often they're AI agents in disguise,
Interesting.
answering your questions quickly and saving everyone time.
And what's fascinating is that these AI chatbots are getting even smarter. They're starting to understand natural language,
Uh-huh.
handling multiple questions at once,
Yeah.
and even tailoring their responses based on your past interactions.
Think about Google Maps
Oh.
and how it figures out the fastest way to get you somewhere.
Yeah.
That's an AI agent
Mm.
analyzing real-time traffic
Right.
and making adjustments on the fly
Yeah.
to route you around any holdups.
And it's not just about speed.
Right.
These AI agents in navigation apps can also factor in things like saving fuel,
Yeah.
avoiding tolls,
Right.
even considering what kind of roads you prefer, making your trip truly personalized.
And let's not forget about
Yeah.
those personalized shopping recommendations we see online.
Yeah.
Have you ever noticed how online stores seem to know
Yeah.
exactly what you're looking for?
Right.
You can thank AI agents for that.
It's true.
They analyze your browsing history
Uh-huh.
and what you've bought before to suggest things you might like.
It's all about
Yeah.
finding patterns in data. These AI agents can sift through mountains of information to spot trends and predict what you might need.
Right.
It makes your online shopping more efficient and maybe a little too tempting sometimes.
At this point, you might be asking yourself,
Ruh.
okay, this is cool and all,
Yeah.
but why should I care about AI agents?
Mm.
The video makes a strong case.
Okay.
AI is becoming more and more common in our lives.
Right.
Knowing how it works helps you use it better,
Absolutely.
whether it's for work learning
Yeah.
or just everyday tasks.
Exactly.
It's about understanding the technology
Mm-hmm.
that's shaping our world.
Yeah.
And it's not just about today.
Right.
Having a basic understanding of AI now
Yeah.
can open doors to exciting opportunities in the future.
Absolutely.
The video emphasizes that we're just scratching the surface
Yeah.
when it comes to AI.
It's true.
The field is constantly growing,
Yeah.
and a basic understanding can open up some really interesting possibilities down the line.
Totally.
It's like learning a new language. The more you know, the more you can do.
Absolutely.
If we connect this to the bigger picture. AI is finding its way into just about every industry you can think of.
Yeah.
Healthcare, finance, transportation, education. The possibilities seem endless.
They do. Yeah. It's pretty amazing.
The video then tackles some common myths about AI.
Okay.
And this is where it gets really interesting.
All right.
One big misconception is that AI agents are like those super intelligent robots from sci-fi movies, poised to take over the world and replace humans.
That's a fear often fueled by those stories.
Right.
But the reality is much more nuanced.
Exactly.
As we've discussed.
Yeah.
Most AI agents are built for very specific tasks. And they're more like tools that enhance what humans can do, not replace us entirely.
Exactly. It's about humans and AI working together, not one replacing the other.
Right.
The video also addresses another myth.
Okay.
That you need to be a tech genius to use AI agents.
That's a barrier a lot of people imagine.
Yeah.
But the truth is, AI tools are becoming so user-friendly that just about anyone can use them. If you can use a smartphone app, you can probably interact with an AI agent without needing any special tech skills.
It's really about making powerful technology accessible to everyone.
Absolutely.
The video even gives some practical advice on how beginners can start using AI agents in their daily lives.
Yeah.
Suggesting we start with familiar tools like virtual assistants.
Oh, okay.
You know, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant.
Those virtual assistants are a great entry point to the world of AI.
Totally.
You can ask them to set reminders, play music, control your smart home devices, get information, even have a little fun with jokes and trivia.
It's a fun and easy way to get comfortable interacting with AI and see how seamlessly it can fit into your day.
Absolutely.
Once you're comfortable with those, the video recommends checking out AI-powered apps. They specifically mention Grammarly for writing.
Oh, yeah.
And Duolingo for learning languages.
Those apps are great examples of how AI can boost our productivity and learning.
Right.
Grammarly uses AI to look at your writing, offering suggestions to improve your grammar, tone, and clarity.
Wow.
Duolingo uses AI to create personalized language lessons, adjusting to your learning pace and giving you targeted feedback.
That's awesome.
It is.
They also highlight online learning platforms like Khan Academy and Coursera, which use AI to personalize learning paths, focusing on your strengths and weaknesses.
Those platforms are changing how we learn, making education more accessible, engaging, and tailored to each student's needs.
Right.
It's a fantastic example of how AI can make knowledge available to anyone, no matter their age or background.
As we wrap up this deep dive, the video leaves us with a thought-provoking question. What other areas of your life could be improved by AI agents?
It's a really important point.
Yeah.
The video isn't just about explaining what AI agents are.
Yeah.
It's about inspiring us to see the possibilities and consider ourselves a part of shaping the future of AI.
Yeah.
It's about giving us the information to be informed citizens in a world increasingly driven by AI.
Yeah.
And they end with a really nice call to action, encouraging viewers to keep exploring the world of AI, to be curious, to ask questions, and never stop learning.
I love that.
It's great.
They're basically saying, hey, this is just the beginning, and you can be a part of it.
Right.
They remind us that AI agents are at their core, tools designed to make our lives easier, smarter, and more efficient.
Absolutely.
They're here to stay, and understanding them is the key to unlocking their potential.
That's a really powerful takeaway.
Right.
It shifts the conversation around AI from one of
fear or apprehension to one of empowerment and opportunity.
So to recap our deep dive today, we've learned that AI agents are like super-powered digital assistants working behind the scenes in so many parts of our lives. They learn from data, improve over time, and can handle increasingly complex tasks.
It's true.
And the coolest part,
what's that?
They're becoming more user-friendly every day.
That's awesome.
Oh, anyone can start using them.
As we head into a future shaped more and more by AI, understanding these basic concepts isn't just about keeping up with the latest trends.
Right.
It's about giving ourselves the knowledge and skills to navigate this changing landscape.
It's about being informed,
Yeah,
empowered, and excited about the possibilities.
absolutely.
It really is amazing to think about all the ways AI is already impacting our lives and how much more it could do in the future.
What's exciting is that
the tools are becoming more accessible all the time.
Totally.
It used to be that AI was this exclusive domain for programmers and researchers. But now there are so many apps and platforms designed for everyday users.
It's a bit like the early days of the internet.
Oh, yeah.
It was once this mysterious thing that only a few people understood.
Yeah.
But now it's such a fundamental part of our lives.
Totally.
I think AI is on a similar trajectory.
And just like the internet revolutionized communication and access to information, AI has the potential to transform countless other areas of our lives.
It's all about finding ways to harness this technology for good.
Right.
This video you shared did a great job of highlighting some positive applications, like personalized education and more efficient healthcare.
Yeah.
But it also made me think about the ethical implications. Yeah, that's important.
As AI becomes more powerful, it's crucial that we use it responsibly.
Absolutely.
You need to be mindful of potential biases in algorithms.
Right.
And ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a way that benefits all of humanity.
It's so important for everyone to be informed about AI.
Totally.
Even if you're not a tech expert.
This deep dive definitely gave me a lot to think about.
Yeah, me too.
What about you? Is there anything that particularly stood out to you?
I think what impressed me most was how the video managed to explain complex concepts in such a clear and engaging way.
Totally.
It really demystified AI and made it feel less intimidating.
I agree.
Yeah.
It's one thing to read about AI in the news or see it portrayed in movies, but it's another thing entirely to have a basic understanding of how it actually works.
Totally.
Knowledge is power.
And now we're both a little bit more empowered.
Yeah.
When it comes to navigating this exciting and rapidly evolving world of AI.
And I think that's the perfect note to end on.
Yeah.
If you're curious about AI, don't be afraid to dive in and learn more.
Right.
There are so many resources available.
Yeah.
And the more informed we all are, the better equipped we'll be to shape the future of this transformative technology.
So to wrap things up,
let
me leave you with this thought.
Right.
What role do you want to play in the AI revolution?
The good question.
Are you excited about the possibilities? Are you concerned about the potential risks?
Yeah.
Whatever your perspective, it's important to be part of the conversation.
And don't forget, if you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the world of technology and beyond.
Until next time, stay curious.